Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find calendar and click on it. Then tap on this little icon at the bottom right corner, choose got it, and finally click on the month above. Then pick a date by clicking on the one that you wish to set up and tap on this plus icon. Over here, to create your event, you need to choose event option. And now you can finally customize your event however you want to. For example, add a title, pick starting and ending hour, choose location by tapping on add location, typing wherever you wish to, and selecting the correct one. Now choose add notifications, select one of those options or create custom, pick days, hours or weeks, and tap on done. You can even take notes over here, and when you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by clicking on it, tapping on this little pen icon, over here, and making your changes. For example, I will make my event last all day. Then remember to click save at the top right corner. If you wish to delete your event, you can do that by clicking on it again, but this time selecting those three dots at the top right corner. Over here select delete and click on delete in this pop-up to confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!